Good morning mga ka-offshore and friends. Kumusta tayo dyan? This is how I start my day. I'm preparing my cup of coffee with this coffee machine. Shout out to my duty officer Mahmoud and with incoming second officer Babu.
Chief Engineer
Keep your watch on duty, gentlemen.
And also include these two guys.
Shout out to Chief Engineer Sami, who is now on vacation. I'm sorry, Chief. This is how we do it every day. Coffee every time. And for those who are watching, have coffee time with me, please. Enjoy and have a nice day to everyone. This is your Cap Bro on duty.
Already informed.
God bless to us all. Enjoy watching.
Okay.